What's up, fam? So everybody is working on a gig app some way, right? Everybody is Uber driving, doing DoorDash, or doing Uber Eats or Grubhub, or delivering groceries, whatever. And this economy supports it really well because of COVID. But what do you do if you're a creator? You hop on Fiverr? Maybe, but that's a little competitive, right? Or you hop on some other platform like Upwork or freelancer.com to see if you can get a bid for a gig. Yeah, that's not that easy if you don't have that much experience. Well, guess what? There's an app out there that's just kind of like Uber for creatives. That's right, where you don't have to have a lot of experience. All you have to have is a phone and a little bit of personality to talk about stuff that you genuinely would like when you actually bought it, and you get paid. So the name of this app is Billo. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. It was actually created in 2020, early 2020 as a matter of fact, and its headquarters is in San Francisco, California. However, a lot of the people in the staff that you communicate with on the Billo app is in Lithuania. So how exactly does this app work? I know someone is going to ask me, Jasper, how much do you get paid? I'm going to get into that. Before I get into that, I'm going to tell you why this app has a lot of promise for creators and honestly anybody that hops on the app, because you don't have to be a professional creator to use it. That's the advantage of this app. This app is actually talking to those brands out there that are looking for social media ads, but more specifically, user-generated content. That means a regular person got a product that their brand sold in their hands and talked about their experience. Brands find this app really appealing because it allows regular looking people to talk about their real experiences with their product, and they market it to other customers. So as a creator, you get paid per video. The brand pays $59 to get a single video. Now there's other plans that is available on the Billo app where they can pay monthly or they can get a package of videos, but nevertheless one video is $59, and the prices that you get paid as a creator does vary. So there's some videos where the payout could be 15 bucks. There's some videos where the payout could be 35, maybe 40 bucks here and there. But the reality is, it's not about the one video, it's actually about multiple videos. So let's say you average doing videos that you're getting paid $15 or $20, per video, and you did 10 of those videos in one day, because it doesn't take a lot of time to talk about a product that you got, right? If you got like a pair of shoes and you did a video saying, hey, these shoes were really great, I felt like when I walked in them my feet were being relieved, it doesn't take a lot of work to do that. So if you do 10 videos in one day, that's $200. And let's say you were to do an average of 70 videos, that's 10 videos a day, of different products. It's really doable. Matter of fact, I've made a good amount of money on this app. I won't give the amount of money, to be honest with you, but I will say that, it's really lucrative. Literally, if you make 10 videos a day in 7 days and you averaged about $200 a day, that's $1,400 in 1 week, and you add up 2 weeks there, that's $2,800, which is obviously really promising there. A pretty good average salary for somebody that's not clocking in on a job, or even if somebody is working a job, to have that extra income is really beneficial. So to become a Billo creator, you fill out a form giving your email, giving your social media handles, and giving a couple of examples of some work that you've done to show brands why they should pick you for their videos. Now, I actually added the form that you would use to sign up to become a Billo creator in the description of this video, just to make it a little easier for you. And I would recommend, what you could do is grab something inside of your house. I would recommend maybe like a pack of supplements or something that you could just make a quick video, talking about, 30 seconds to a minute. Do a couple of them and just, put that in your profile to apply with, so that somebody has something to see your personality, and then also at the same time be able to see, you talking about an actual product. So I've been on the Billo app now for about 4 months, and I've got a lot of cool stuff for free, and I've gained a lot of great experiences as a creator that I plan to make more videos about. So if you definitely like this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button to let YouTube know that you did like it, and definitely hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that you can stay tuned for the latest videos that's going to be coming about the Billo app.